Ready? Okay.
Okay, this is Joey's first taste of real food. Ready, dude?
Man, I gotta like back up with this thing.
Come here. Mommy, right here. It's like, what's going on? Some mush. Ready? You need a smaller spoon. He doesn't know what to do about it. You like it? What is that on your tongue? Not what you thought you were getting, is it? It's hard to get just a little bit on his tongue. Does that mean he doesn't like it? I don't know. Try some more? Oh. Oh. Not very much is staying in the mouth. Opening his mouth.
He doesn't know what he's doing.
You mad?
Looks disgruntled.
He does.
Stop shoving food in his face,
I'm
Mom.
trying to swipe it off his chin. It's not what you thought, huh?
Mmm.
Want more?
No. Does that look like he wants more? Oh wait, isn't he supposed to have a spoon in his hand?
Oh, yeah. Go get you a spoon.
That's what's missing.
Here, I'm going to use a smaller one because... Here, hold this. You want your own? There you go.
Wow, good grip, dude.
This one's smaller.
He's like, whoa, what's this?
It's a bigger hit than the cereal. Want to try some of this? Oh. One more? Ugh. I don't know. Do you think he likes it or he keeps grabbing for it? But I don't think he knows what he's doing. Look at your little face. Not milk, is it? It's mostly milk. Oh. That's what you do. Oh. Oh. Not what you wanted, is it?
Oh.
Okay. We'll stop and try again.
To be continued.